Right, welcome everybody to Great Yarmouth Photos and Webcams. We're in Hemsby now, on the beach. Let's have a look. Obviously there's a lot of beach erosion, as I'm sure a lot of you do know. That's the walkway from the lifeboat onto the beach now. So as you can see, there's a big drop. So the lifeboat obviously can't launch. And obviously it's quite difficult to get down there. We've got all the defences, all the rocks. If I just go up here, obviously it's very windy, so I hope you can hear me through all this wind. So that's the lifeboat station, just up there. And then obviously you've got like about an 8-foot drop there. Then you've got all the rocks protecting that bit of the dunes, and that bit just there, that's the car park. So the dunes are completely gone, and that's literally the edge of the car park. I'll show you that in a moment. I'll go up there. So it's literally, you've got all the rocks there trying to stop it getting further. See right through there, and a little bit further on, you can just see where it's gone as well. I mean, the last time I was here last year, it was nowhere near as bad as this. So obviously, over the winter months, they've lost quite a lot of the cliffs. That's the rocks. It is very windy with the tides, obviously not in at the moment. Really windy, so I'm sorry about the sound. So again, that's where you walk onto the beach. Obviously, normally it would be pretty level. Obviously, you can see all the cliffs. Obviously, so we'll just walk a little bit further along here. Obviously more homes have been lost over the winter, and there was a road what actually collapsed onto the beach as well. So the walk, we used to walk over the dunes, sort of like into Scrapney. I don't think we can get through that now. That's all been blocked off, it's all collapsed. look back, the wind's behind me now, so it might not be quite as bad. I am on my mobile, so obviously it's not going to be a very steady picture, but at least it gives you an idea how bad it is now. The entrance to the beach, just there. So I'm just going to go up into the car park so you can just see how close it is, sadly. Got to walk up this rather big drop. So obviously there's no way the lifeboat can launch now. Just need to go up here. So this is the car park, and all the dunes have gone now, look. And it's fenced off. And that's where it's up to. So there, that's the drop onto the beach. So it's literally almost taking the car park now. If it takes the car park, obviously it's going to take the lifeboat as well, and the beach cafe. Right, that is about it for this one. So thank you for watching. That's just a bit of an update on what's actually happening at the beach at Hemsby, which is not very good. And you can also I'll just show you this as well. Obviously that's the dunes have gone there with the looks of it. Okay, thank you for watching.